Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Oh my goodness. Today's video, you are gonna die. Totally gonna die. We are going to do unboxing for Louis Vuitton, and this is like 100% unboxing because everything still in the box. So I'm gonna open this with you, and let me tell you this piece I paid full amount about 3 months ago, and I finally got it just a couple days ago. So I can't wait to show you what's in here, and let's get started. Oh my goodness, okay. So it's been a while that I'm so excited about one piece that I purchased. I know recently I've been purchasing a lot of nano item, but this piece, it is so cool. I have not seen this in person because it's not even available in the store. And like I say, I paid for this for a couple months already. It seems to me that anytime you want anything really more exclusive, more newer items, you literally have to pay in advance for them to get it to you. So you can see that. This is called true unboxing. Everything's in the box. Oh my god, he's in there. Okay. I'm literally sweating because I'm so excited about this. So let's see here. Oh, look at the little notes. So my salesperson is I have two salesperson now. The piece I purchased this from is in San Francisco, Bloomingdale, and it's Tiffany, and she's the one. Excuse me. Everybody knows Starbucks have a pumpkin spice latte, right? I found a new version of this. It's a nitro cold brew with sweet cream and 3 pump of pumpkin spice. Better, less calorie than the regular one. Guys, I'm literally like shaking because I want this so bad and I can't believe it's here. At one point, actually just last week, I was talking to the other SA from South Coast Plaza. He was telling me that this piece is like, it should be launched in the US should be launched already, but something got delayed and he's not even sure that it will come to US because a lot of people already paid for it too. So I'm so happy I got it. So thank you so much for this personal notes. So let's open this baby up. This is the receipt. So again, my salesperson in San Francisco, Bloomingdale, her name is Tiffany, and she's currently on the maternity leave right now. She got a baby, but her team is still able to ship this to me, so I'm very, very happy. Thank you so much for the entire San Francisco Bloomingdale team. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Okay, let's open this up now. Gosh, guys, you're gonna die when you see this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Sorry, I'm just so like literally freaking out. Okay, don't cry, Stevie, just a bag. Oh my god. Just take it all in. Just take it all in, people. Look at this. This is the Louis Vuitton men's collection fall 20. The soft trunk. Hold on. Let me get the full name out. Hold on. Hold please. This is called, yeah, soft trunk wallet. I was wrong. They do have one. It's called soft trunk, but that is literally double the price. This is a little bit more affordable for me, so I decided to go for this. Just take a look. The Cloud collections. Oh my god. Guys, hey, don't forget to breathe, okay? I know it's beautiful, but you gotta breathe. You're gonna pass out watching my video. Okay, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful in the silver, however, I don't know, it's because the way this look, the lining, the look, it's kind of thick. Let's open this right now. I don't even know what's in here. So let's open this up together the first time. So it's the wallet. Oh, it could be the strap that made this whole thing thicker. Oh, okay. So it comes with the strap here. I need to figure out how to use this, probably just like that. Okay. Okay. And then it has a little buckle right here. Okay, can you see it? It's a nice material buckle. How do I use this? Oh, it's pulled down like that. So I suppose you can pull this right here, and then this hook on one side, and then this hook on this side. Ah, there we go. For a moment, I'm thinking, oh my God, did she forgot a piece for me or something? So that's the bag looks like. So let's look at it inside, okay? This is my first time getting a soft wallet, so this is really big. I mean, come on, you can put a lot of stuff in there. See how small is my phone in here? So I definitely feel like if you don't have the money to buy the soft trunk, that's like a 4,000 something. You can buy the soft trunk wallet, so it's a little bit cheaper. Still get the feel of a little mini trunk here. So when you open it, there's a what I like about this, a lot of time when you have this type of wallet, they have a center divider that actually make the space more smaller. So center is wide open, and there's a zipper on the side, and the material inside just a canvas. So there's a zipper, you can put stuff in there. And there's a 6 card holder back here, and there's a side pocket right here. So it's a very straightforward bag inside, but this is so beautiful. So beautiful. But I do have to say, you see the lining here? The material doesn't seem very smooth. I don't know, because typically when I bought Louis Vuitton, everything kind of sewing very, very smooth. But I guess they're lining this piece and then sew this piece over it, so you make it a little bit not smooth, even if you know what I mean. But other than that, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. So this is the call-out collections. You'll have the blue, what is ombre blue color, from the lightest to the rich blue, with the white monogram with the cloud LV right here. So you can see the monogram back here. It's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. And you know what? I kind of like the way they use the silver buckle, because we all know their buckle actually will tarnish really fast. So hopefully this will stay longer. And now I'm looking at more detail. Every single little buckle right here, you can see the monogram. Monogram flower, do you see it? All 4 of them. There's nothing in the base, but this is on the back. Oh my gosh. And let's see what this is made from. It's made in France. Excuse me. It says Autumn Collection 2020. Sorry, I was looking at this, not even focused talking to you guys. I am so excited about this piece right here. And this is the care booklet. It tells you the collection, and this is the piece in case you guys want to get it. Okay, I see Louis Vuitton right now have the whole entire collection available on our website. However, all the items is not available yet, so I definitely recommend that you call your SA, see do you have a chance to purchase this, because this is so cute. Okay, oh, this actually works. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to say this part is kind of weird though. Maybe I can buy another buckle like this, because I like the buckle. It holds better a little bit. But this is cute. What do you think? Oh my god, this is so cute. Super adorable. Or you can carry it like this. See? You know, one of the fans that told me on Instagram that he also bought a piece from this collection. He said that it looks kind of, I forgot what he used. It looks kind of like a cartoon-ish. Like, I can see what he mean by that. It does seem like, I don't know how to describe this to you guys. If you look at this right now, okay, this part is very nicely built. But when you look at the top here, can you see it? It's just not a very nice finish. It just seems a little bit like this is all thick on the top. I don't know. It just, the whole thing doesn't seem more delicate sewing. Seems a little bit rough. In fact, I can see, I don't know if you can see that. You can see the material beneath there. I like this color, don't get me wrong, I'm so excited about this. I just wish the finish can be more polished. I guess that's what I'm trying to say here. Yeah, more I look at it, more interesting they look. Yeah, that is a very interesting piece. But I'm very happy, very, very happy to have this. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy that I'm able to share this with you guys. I was so worried that I won't be able to get this piece, but now he or she, I don't know the name, can live up there with my collections. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited about the piece. I'm all over the place, but that's me. So thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below if you like this piece or not, or you already have one. Oh my god, if you have one, I want to hear your feedback. Do you feel the same way I do about the finishing touch? The craftsmanship, that's what I'm talking about. It seems a little bit rough, but other than that, I like it. So thank you so much again. I will see you guys next week, okay? Bye!